Hello, what's up traders, what's up guys, how is it going? I believe we are becoming more profitable trading the forex market. So I'm happy once again today bringing you this strategy. Okay, this strategy I will leave the testimony for you guys because in fact it took me some time to make sure that this one is a kind of more accurate than other strategies so far. So you just need to follow the instruction. As you can see, I already I've bought this trade already. This is boom 500 and this is 1 minute time frame. So I'm going to be showing you how to trade this. Anyway, we'll be expecting spike soon. So now this is boom 500 index 1 minute time frame. We are going to be using this analysis is going to be on from 1 minute to 4 hours. Okay, we want to make sure that we are entering the trade on the right time. Okay, so this is a kind of sniper entry or swing point where you enter. If you have a very big equity, okay, you can hold this trade for a very long time, and you'll be in a kind of massive profit. Okay, you'll be massive profit. But for scalpers, this is also for you. You don't need to stay long. You just take 2, 3 or 4 spikes and you go. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how perfect this thing is. Then first of all, before I forget, because I always forget this, to tell you the zoom level. Okay, as you can see, this is second zoom level, this is third, and this is sorry, let me just show you. This is second zoom level, this is third, and this is the last zoom level. Okay, then you have the last zoom level. Now you have the third zoom level, and you have the second zoom level. We have the final zoom level here. So I want you to zoom out completely, zoom out completely. This is not about second, third or fourth. I just wanted to show you something. So you just need to zoom out completely. When you zoom out completely, you check 1 minute time frame. You start with 1 minute time frame. Okay, as you can see, all these lines here, the green line, I'm going to show you the setups later. All these green lines, this is about 4 green lines. Okay, it's about 4 green lines. This is MAs anyway. So all of them, if you see the 4 green lines here, all of them touched level 10, and they are coming back. They are about bouncing back, going up. In the process, they reversed after touching level 10 and start going up. As you can see, this is a kind of pullback. Okay, just what I want you to consider is this. Okay, I want you to always, first of all, if you come to 1 minute, you make sure that the lines, all these green lines, your own must not be green. You can change it to any color you like. Your own must not be green. So just make sure that all the green lines are touching level 10. Okay, once they are touching level 10, once all the green lines are touching level 10, you can change your own to black, blue, any color of your choice. Okay, then if they are touching level 10, then you go to 5 minutes time frame. You see all of them are under this level 10, right? Good. Then you go again to, let me still show you. I mean, these lines here, all these green lines are under level 10. Okay, then we go again to 15 minutes time frame. You see that all of them are here at this level. These are oversold level, right? You see, this is 15 minutes. Okay, we started from 1 minute, go to 5 minutes, then we are now on 15 minutes, right? Then we go to the higher time frame, which is 30 minutes. You see where that indicator, all the lines they are on this, at this level. Okay, so as they are at this level, you check the next thing, which is 1 hour. They are still at this level. stay at this level. Sorry, let me remove this. As you can see, they are still at that level 10, right? Then you move to 4 hours and you have these indicators, that line, these green lines at level 10. Okay, so once you see it at level 10, you are good to go. All right, you are good to go. Once you see it, that what you want to verify, you want to check from 1 minute. Sorry, you need to start from after checking 1 minute. 1 minute is not a place where you consider whatever you want to do yet. Okay, the point now is that you need to make sure that these indicators are at level 10 on 5 minutes, on 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour and 4 hours. All the green lines should be at level 10, which is over sold region. Okay, over sold region. Then I will show you how to trade this. Remember, let me go again. We started from 1 minute. All right, but I said 1 minute is just our entry time frame. Okay, for people who have small accounts. If you have a bigger maybe equity, you don't need to consider any, just enter using any time frame. Okay, but for people who have small accounts, we are entering with 1 minute. Okay, on 1 minute time frame. Now I've bought this trade. Remember, I'm going to tell you why I bought the trade that time. I want us to, check how this thing comes when the spike will start coming. Now I go to 5 minutes time frame. You must make sure that all the lines are at level 10 oversold region. We go to 15 oversold region. We go to 30 oversold region. We go to 1 hour oversold region, and we go to 4 hours oversold region. Okay, now we now consider this trade a kind of the bearish movement. We are expecting a reversal, right? We want to catch it when it's reversing on time, so that we'll be on this trade for a long period of time. Okay, for people who have a very big equity, we are looking for a turning point, a swing point where we enter perfectly. So, but for the fact you have seen all these things, all the lines in oversold region, which is level 10, never guarantee that the market will start you will start seeing spikes coming. You need to know your entering point. Okay, that's what I will teach you also, how to enter, when to enter. Okay, because you might see it there and it keep going. Okay, the market keep going bearish and you are waiting for a spike. So I will tell you how to enter this trade. But first thing you need to consider is to make sure that all these green lines are at oversold region, which is my level 10 here. All right, once you have checked all these things and all of them are there, then you come back to 1 minute time frame. Now this is for people who have a very small account. Okay, for you to enter, you need to wait. After checking all these things, you need to wait for the green lines. Look at the perfect entry for this. Okay, for this one, you come to 1 minute time frame and make sure that you are entering when all the green lines here are also at oversold region, which is level 10. All right, we don't supposed to enter here. Okay, so look at our entering point here. So once you enter, you allow the boom to start coming to the till it pushes this indicator to this level. Okay, once the spikes push all the indicators to level 10, I think you are seeing what is happening. So once the spikes push this indicator to level 10, we had a spike and we have recovered our losses. Okay, we have recovered. So once it push these indicators to level 90, you take profit. Okay, you take profit and wait for it to reverse back, touch level 10, enter level 10 again, then you enter again. Okay, that's how you trade this. That's how we trade this. I told you I will explain how to enter this trade and how to take profit, and that is exactly what I'm doing. If you have a very small account, you need to allow this green indicator, all these green lines, to touch level 10. Okay, once they enter this level 10, you enter a buy. Okay, when you enter a buy, you allow the spike to start coming till the spike pushes this indicator
to this level, okay, once it pushes the indicator to this level, which is level 90, you take profit, okay, you take profit and wait for this pullback to push the indicators down again to level 10. Then you enter another buy. That's how you trade this. That's how we trade this. Remember, first thing you need to do, you need to make sure, analyze and make sure that all the green lines are at oversold region, both in 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour and 4 hours. Let me still show you. You need to go to 5 minutes time frame. They are there, right? Hope you are seeing it. All the lines are there. Then you go to 15 minutes time frame. All the lines are there. You go to 30 minutes time frame. All the lines are there. You still move to 1 hour. All the lines are still there, okay. Then you go to 4 hours, which is our final time frame for this strategy. All the lines are there at oversold region. So once you have seen this, then you come down to 1 minute time frame and wait for the indicators to enter the level 10. Once they hit level 10 and enters, you allow a spike to come, okay. If you want to wait, you have to wait for one spike to come to show you that we are now expecting more spikes, okay. So once it comes, what the spike does is that it will reverse this. You will see something like this, okay. Once you see that reversal showing you that the more spike about coming, then you enter your buy, okay. Enter your buy, ride the trade to this point, level 90 or 80. You take profit and allow the our green lines to reverse again to this point. When they reverse, you have a kind of one spike again. You enter another buy, okay. This is how you trade this. This is how you trade this. This is how you trade this. The overview is just to make sure that the indicators are here in oversold region, okay. And vice versa, when you are selling, you know where it will be. The indicator should be at 90. All the lines should be at level 90, both in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour plus 1 hour and 1 hour and 4 hours, okay. If you are selling, so it's just the same thing with buying. Opposite of buying is selling now. So we should know that instead of level 10, we have level 90. So sorry. I was somewhere and a kind of this. My background should be noisy, I believe. It's unusual anyway. It's just 1 or 2 distraction around where I am. So, and I need to create this video because I've tested it and I see it's working. That's why I feel like, okay, let me create this video right now, even when why I know that maybe the background might be a kind of a bit noisy. So I'm very, very sorry about that. So that is how you trade this strategy. It's very simple and it's a profitable strategy. Now if you look at, I'm going to show you the setups now. What you need to do is just normal. Some people will still ask me zoom level. Please, you zoom out completely. Like you zoom out completely. This is first, second, third, and final, okay. You just zoom out completely. As you can see, that is the last point. So that is the zoom level completely, okay. Then for you to add indicators, you already know where to go. You go to this F icon, you tap on it. I have the indicator already set up. First of all, you add average directional movement index, okay. Average directional movement index. So if you check the setups, you have period 14 and level. That is the only thing we are considering. Other stuffs here, you change it to white, the colors to white, okay. You change all these colors here, change them to white, okay. If you are using a white background, like if it's the dark background, you change it to dark or black, sorry, change it to black. You have 14 here as our period. Then we have our levels as 90 and 10, okay. Our 90 is sell and our 10 is buy, okay. Our 90 is sell and our 10 is buy. Then style, you need to put 4 pixels, okay, 4 pixels, and the color, you use any color of your choice, okay. Then after that you click on done. Then the next indicator here is our moving average 21, period 21, shift 0, simple. All these things you are seeing is just put your own that way, then click on done. We go to the next moving average 1, that is period 1, shift 0. Just set up your stuffs like this, so it's almost the same thing, it's just to know the period. Okay, the next one we have moving average 7, we have shift 0. Then you can change this color. The color must not be green. You can change it to any color of your choice. Okay, you click on done. Then you have another moving average which is 14. Okay, moving average 14. Other ones just fix the remaining. It's just the same thing. It's the same thing. The only difference is the difference here is the period. Okay, just period 14, period 1, period 7, and is there another 21? Okay, period 21. And other settings are the same. Okay, you can change the color to any color of your choice. So once you are done, that is the setups. Okay, just allow a spike to come just to be sure that the reversal have come. Okay, you allow a spike, like if it's here, just look at where you're supposed to have entered. This is the point. Okay, you allow this one spike to come. Okay, once it comes, you enter a buy and you ride the trade. Forget about the pullbacks. All right, forget about the pullbacks. You already in profit, so you don't need to bother. Why you'll be worried now is because I entered the market very late. I did not see it on time. Okay, you just need to see the green lines, the moving averages below level 10, and you wait for a spike to come to reverse, to push it up. Okay, once you see that push, you enter your buy. Okay, you ride you take the spikes. For people who have a very big account, you don't even need to close when it's reversing. You can just leave it. Okay, if you have a very big account and you want to stay long, you want to stay for maybe the whole day or some hours, your entering point should be either on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, on 15 minute time frame. Let me show you what to do. Now you are seeing this pullback. Okay, hope you are seeing this pullback. You can just zoom in to see what the price is doing. Okay, if we should have a double bottom here, you can enter using a double bottom or any candlestick pattern you know, a reversal candlestick pattern. Okay, you can enter with any candlestick pattern you know, or you wait for a double bottom. Okay, for if you are trading, if you are selling, you wait for double top, right? So if you have a very big account, you just look for any reversal candlestick pattern before you enter your trade, for you to stay long, right? But the first one I showed you, that is the entering point 1 for people who have small accounts, is on 1 minute time frame. Okay, on 1 minute time frame, that is for people who have a very small account. But even if you have a kind of bigger equity, you can still use this 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is how this strategy works. Remember, the first thing I told you, you need to go check where these lines are from 5 minutes to 4 hours. If they are all at oversold, you start looking for entering point for a buying opportunity. Okay, a buying opportunity. If they are at overbought, you start looking for a selling opportunity. That is how simple this strategy is. So if you like this video already, you know what you need to do. Just hit or smash anyone you want to destroy that like button for me. Please leave a comment. If you have anything you want me to create video on, definitely I will do that. If it means replying to your comments, you already know that I do reply comments. Then if you are new here and you like forex trading, I drop forex trading strategies, forex trading guides here, both on currency pairs and indices like this boom and crash. So if you love anything like this, please consider subscribing to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel. Okay, like this video and share. So guys, that is that for this strategy. I hope it will help you to be more profitable in trading the forex market, and I will see you when I see my next video. Guys, bye for now.